Hello, Love Posse, and welcome to today's conversation, the healing power of nature. You know, we've been conditioned to believe that we're separate from nature, that nature is something to control, that nature is something to fear. You know, we see different aspects of nature, different forms of nature depending on where we live, nature in the form of snow, nature in the form of rain, tornadoes, hurricanes, nature in the form of the sun, the heat radiating down on us. And we have been conditioned to fear that which doesn't make us comfortable and to attempt to control that which we can't. Nature. We can't control nature. So I want to sort of get you thinking about the healing power of nature rather than being afraid of nature and attempting to control nature. How about we look to nature's healing power? If you've ever been out in nature on a walk, a hike, or in a canoe or boating on the lake, right, or sitting next to a stream, or even watching the sunrise and the sunset, do you feel that? That which you are connected to, when you lay your eyes on the mystery and the magic of nature, have you ever tuned in to how it makes you feel? It slows down the constant thoughts of the mind, right? It lifts and reinvigorates our spirit. It heals the body because by calming down and slowing down and being a witness to the magic and the mystery of nature, our body functions as it is meant to function. Our body takes in the healing rays of the sun, right? Our body tunes in to that energy that only seeks to connect with that which is its own, because we are nature. We are the earth, right? We are particles of the sun. We are made of stardust. So nature, so to speak, is to heal that, to normalize that, to balance that which is its own. Nature does not seek to cause harm. Nature only seeks to make us whole, to return that which is itself back to wholeness. Indigenous people understand the healing power of nature. You know, so many of our ancestors understood the healing power of nature, right? Some of you may have grandmas who had gardens, and they would go out to their garden when we were not feeling well and pull the herbs and the medicinal medicine from the earth to heal the body, right? Marijuana, a healing herb, nature growing from the ground to heal the body, to heal pain, to heal that which is seeking wholeness. You know, now we have so many people who are into ecotherapy, going out into nature, having the experience of the mountains and the trees and the water and the sky and the sun seeping into our energy field to balance. right? That's what ecotherapy, going out to nature, right? Tapping into nature's healing power, healing spirit, healing mind, healing body, balancing our emotions, slowing us down, reinvigorating, renewing self. Nature is so powerfully healing that when we are in nature, it helps us to tap into who we are. It helps us to see ourselves as we are. Nature does not discriminate. Nature does not judge. Nature loves on us. That's the healing power of nature, that is so giving. It is so expansive and transformative, and reminds us of our wholeness, reminds us of our deep connection to everything that's around us. It tunes us in to our soul. It's here for all of us if we slow down, right? Slow down, move beyond our busy schedules, go out in nature for a walk, sit by a river, hearing the stream of water flow, cascading down from the rocks, taking in the breath of the mountains, breathing the clean air in nature, the oxygen that's provided for our lungs to breathe without interruption, without interference. The healing power of nature. You only have to go into nature to understand what I'm sharing, to experience what I'm sharing. Experience it for yourself. Go out into nature and experience the healing power of nature. Thank you for your time. Who loves you? I sure enough love you. Namaste. Namaste.